I think that I shall never see just a little off the side.
Carl,
Lovely.
Carl, what are you doing?
Hey, who are you? Are you my
No.
brother? You look like my brother Daryl. Are you?
No, I'm not your brother Daryl. I work here. My name's Danny Horton.
Well, I came out for this cleanup day, church
good.
cleanup day. I'm ready. I'm here to help. I thought I would use my gifts because one of my gifts is trimming. You might already know that. But the other gifts are pruning and weeding and trimming arborvitaes and mountain laurel, but only native mountain
We're not doing
laurel,
trimming
not the
today,
kind
okay,
that-
Carl? I got a list here of things that need cleaned. Okay? Cleaning?
What do you mean? I was helping.
Well, you're helping, but
Well, what am I going to clean?
well, I got a whole list here. You can clean bathrooms, windows,
I don't
chairs,
do no windows.
tables.
No, I do a lot of stuff, but not windows.
All right, no windows.
Oh, okay.
Come with me.
Can I bring these?
Come on.
All right.
I guess just don't hurt anybody with them.